Reflecting on placement at Kunkel Elementary in learning support. The three major takeaways are about clip charts, assessments and physical behaviors. The clip chart in the classroom was a standard clip chart printed and hung on the board. It had 4 different levels of behavior, from the bottom being out of control and not able to do work, up to the top, which was prince and princess behavior that allowed for optimal performance. The students would have to reach the top 2 levels to receive a piece of Mr. Potato Head, and once he had all his pieces the class got a reward. However, my co-op changed the system and is now using Classroom Dojo and rewarding students individual points which they can use to get rewards. My co-op has a list of the possible rewards. Personally, I do not like clip charts. That is why I was happy to see her switch to Dojo. For my classroom in the future, I plan to use something like Dojo individual rewards and class rewards. The system is teacher-friendly and easy to use. Next, is the summative assessment being used in the class? This assessment is required for all the students in the class and given every Friday. There is reading, letter recognition and sounds, and numbers. The way my co-op delivers the assessment is student-friendly and individualized. There is one student that uses his whisper voice. They also receive an edible reward after they complete the assessment. These assessments are informative and quick for students to complete. In my classroom I plan to complete assessments in a similar manner, and I hope to have the relationship she has with students where they are comfortable in any situation and enjoy it. Finally, I want to talk about physical behaviors and being able to handle students. In my school the principal is the only person allowed to put hands on a student or restrain them when they are being physically aggressive. There have been instances that this occurred in my placement and we could not stop the child from hitting us or other students. I personally believe more employees should be trained to handle these situations. In the future I personally will make sure to be trained. These 3 takeaways are important because they all relate to behavior. The change from clip charts to Dojo was enlightening to see the changes in student behavior when receiving points. Physical behavior training is something I believe is important for staff to have, so multiple people are able to assist teachers, and special education teachers should have the training for their safety and other students. Last, having a good relationship with students reduces behaviors and increases cooperation.